Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today guys, we're bringing you something a little bit different, bringing you a little behind the scenes of IHC receiving We're receiving 2 out of the 3 robots that were ordered, guys. We've been waiting for these for quite some time. They should have been here last week, Friday. It is November, today's what, Wednesday?
Yeah,
today's Tuesday, right? So it took about a week later to take them in. But anyways, yeah, so we got them here, 2 out of the 3. We just got the truck in here. We're gonna go ahead and, unload them, put them where they go, show you guys a little behind the scenes of what it takes of receiving some of the equipment. So just stay tuned and just kind of go throughout the day, show you guys how all this stuff works. Alright guys, so what we're trying to do right here, we're going to utilize the telehandler, and then we got a forklift on the other side, and the objectives here is to go into each side, pick it up, and then the semi is going to go ahead and drive out, and then together see both forklifts coming straight down. So that's a plan right now. Kind of what we're doing is, since this one was loaded through the backside, I don't know if you guys can see here where the forks go in, our forks don't open up wide enough, so we got to make sure, pick it up a little bit, put some 4x4s in the bottom to allow our forks to go to the bottom of the actual machine. So that's actually what we did right now, and then the next part is kind of where it gets a little bit nerve-wracking, right? Because we're picking up both up, and then the semi is going to roll out. You guys will see that here in a minute. So like I mentioned, that was nerve-wracking to make sure both of these guys come down in sync with. We're good. It needs a couple inches for it to touch the ground. And pretty much what we're going to do is set it down, move this one out of the way, and then repeat the process with the second one. So stay tuned. Hopefully everything goes as planned. Okay guys, so what we're doing here is with the forklift, we're pushing the robot, and then on this side we got the skates. And what we're trying to do is pretty much move the robot over so we can make room to get the next robot in, and then repeat the same process. Alright guys, so we are 2 weeks after we had initially got our first 2 robots. The third robot just came in, we got it in place, and it's pretty much what I got here behind us, guys. So we got these Miller robots that came in. We got a total of, just ordered 3 new ones. We got 2 more. We got 2 more robots on the other buildings. We're gonna move those over here as well, so we can get all the robots over here on this side. But we are very excited finally get this equipment in. This stuff, guys, as y'all can see, wasn't too difficult to unload versus the other equipment that we have. But go ahead and check it out, guys. So like I said, Miller Automation welding robots. So we got 3 brand new ones. They do have the turntables, which are gonna rotate. Very excited about that. So we got 2 here, and then we got the other one over here. All we've really done, guys, is just take off the tarp. We got electrical that's currently being ran. They should be here after these holidays to get everything installed. So we got power and we got air ran to these robots. So other than that, guys, that's it. Remember, here at IHC, we're always investing in equipment to bring you guys the best parts possible. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys can like, comment, subscribe to our channel.